Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my channel. You guys know what it is. It is February 1st. So you know what that means? That means there's new coupons to print on coupons.com. And I tell you guys this every single time I print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get paid for every coupon that I print. And then I also get paid for every coupon that I use. So if you guys are interested, I do have a referral link below where you guys can get some bonus money. But I usually just save up my points for Christmas, and that's how I usually get a free Christmas. And this is one thing that I do because I'm always printing coupons. So I looked at the coupons. There's really nothing that's really popping out at me, but I'm here to share with you guys. Now, they did add Blue Buffalo. Those are not as new. They were up a couple days ago, but I didn't do a video, so if you guys are interested in Blue Buffalo, all the Scots and Kleenex and paper towels and stuff reset. The M&M's bars reset. I'm going to print that off. The Sunmaid did reset. Now, that does not expire till May, according to what my thing said when I was printing it off, so that's kind of cool. CoverGirl, I have a ton of CoverGirl coupons. I'm going to print this Exhibitionist one because it's a $3 off coupon, which is a pretty decent one. Eucerin, that one reset, so a lot of them reset. Tums, Kellogg's, the Carmex one's going to be around for a long time. Edge Skintimint, that reset. The Dial hand pumps, $1.50 off of 2. It does say redeemable at Walmart, but you may be able to use it at other stores. It just depends on what the coupon says when you print it off. $1 off of 2 cereal. I'm actually going to be using that coupon this weekend at Walgreens, so we got that going on. Another thing I do want to let you guys know is make sure you go to Saving Star and add some deals right away before they disappear. Now here's a new one, the Lindor bags. So we got $1 off of that one. That's a good coupon, especially for Valentine's Day, right around the corner. BioFreeze, 50 cents off of cereal. Now here's the Creamy Snickers. Never heard of Creamy Snickers, so that's something that's going to be new, so it might be something that's hot. And then here's another Creamy Snickers. Now these are the bars, the other ones were the bags. Coffee. $1.50, there's, no, okay, one's an opened window, that one's a regular coupon, so we got those. Husband's not a big fan of them, so I'm not printing them off. The Forto Coffee Shot reset, so I'm going to print that off because it's been popping up on Ibotta. But otherwise, that is it. The only coupon that did not reset for me is a Perel. But otherwise, that is all the coupons to print. Nothing really hot, but hey, you never know. You don't know how long they'll be around for, so just wanted to share with you guys on that. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.